Agunechemba, Agunechemba.
The lion has risen, the warrior has arrived.
Strength in his heart, fire in his soul. Agunechemba.
From the land of our fathers, the mighty voice echoes through the hills, a symbol of courage and honor, a spirit no battle can kill.
He walks with dignity and purpose, fearless beneath the burning sun. When challenges stand before him, he does not turn and run.
The elders speak his praises, the children know his name, because wherever darkness gathers, he carries a fearless flame.
When the storm clouds gather, when the road becomes steep, he stands like a mountain, a promise he'll keep. When the weak need protection, when hope starts to fade, he rises with courage, unafraid. Agunechemba,
Lion of the nation,
Agunechemba, symbol
of determination.
Agunechemba, strong and unshaken. Agunechemba,
For the people you've awakened.
Agunechemba, Agunechemba, Agunechemba.
Agunechemba.
Not because of riches, not because of fame, but because of his character, people celebrate his name. His strength is not in power, his greatness is not in pride. His greatness comes from serving and standing with those beside him.
Like the eagle soaring high, like the river flowing strong, he keeps moving toward his purpose.
No matter what goes wrong, the path may not be easy, the journey may be long, but a warrior never surrenders. His spirit remains strong. Agunechemba,
Lion of the nation,
Agunechemba, symbol
of determination.
Agunechemba,
Strong and unshaken,
Agunechemba,
for the people you've awakened.
Agunechemba,
Agunechemba,
Agunechemba, Agunechemba.
Agunechemba. Nuaotagu, Digek Buruguru, Okwagu.
When history tells its stories, let courage be remembered. When future generations rise, let honor be remembered.
For true greatness is not measured by wealth or applause.
It is measured by the lives you've touched and the people you've inspired. The strongest leader is the one who lifts others. The strongest warrior is the one who protects others. That is the spirit of Agunechemba.
Stand tall, stand proud,
Remember who you are, a child of greatness,
a child of strength.
a child of destiny.
The blood of champions flows through your veins.
The fire of courage burns within you.
The future is calling, answer it boldly. Hey.
Agunechemba,
Lion of the nation,
Agunechemba, symbol
of determination.
Agunechemba, strong and unshaken. Agunechemba,
Your legacy
to generation, your story will be told. From village past the city streets, your name will be remembered.
The lion who stands,
the warrior who protects, the spirit that never falls. Agunechemba.